Hello, my name is Maxim Grinick, and today I will be taking you through a program that I have developed. Um, it is an AI anonymization tool, and it basically helps protect your identity um, and stops people from being able to see your face through your webcam using AI. Um, this is just going to be a quick demo. If you want more in-depth explanation on how this works, or if you have trouble setting up for yourself, I'm gonna post another video that's an in-depth analysis on the code and how it works. But for now, let's just get into the demo. So first, I have to uh, turn this off. Okay, so I did code in a webcam function using OpenSV, and that basically captures the webcam. And then we have the AI model capture each frame and then analyze each frame and detect a face. So you could kind of get an idea of that with this. This is basically showing that it's taking each frame as like a timestamp, analyzing it, and then putting a box around my head and it clearly see it's my face. Um, I did add it so that you could have multiple faces. That's just that's standard with mediapipe. But for this demo, I will just be only using my face. Um, cool thing about mediapipe is that it tracks you easily, and you can cover parts of your face, and it still knows that you're there, which is pretty cool. And it lets you do more advanced stuff like this. This is a Gaussian blur that I added. There are different levels to Gaussian blurs. You could I have a few presets that I left as comments that you could try just another one. But basically, different Gaussian blurs will playing around with the settings will make it more or less intense. And so like for this one, you can still see like my eyebrows moving and like my face moving and my mouth moving. And like if I get closer, you kind of get a little bit more detail because the way Gaussian blur works is that it randomizes pixels or like randomizes in a certain pattern. And so if there's closer, there's more of you, there's more chance that the pixels are going to stay the same. Um, I'm going to go more in depth on that in a different video. But there's this, which is pretty secure. If you still want for some reason to show people that you're there and like your expressions, then you could use this. But if you want something that's completely secure, you can just have a black box. And the good thing about this black box is I made it pretty tall, so it basically covers your complete face plus any haircut that you might have, except for like an afro or something. And so, as you can see, it works pretty well. Tracks my face, I can move around, I can go side to side, I could cover parts of my face. Now it won't just stop working. Although that's not entirely true. Through tests, I don't know why, but it just sometimes crashes. I'm not sure why this program does it. I'll be able to figure it out, but yeah, it'll just sometimes crash. But apart from that, yeah, this is the live demo. Oh, I fucking, oh, bear with me now.